we have to go get air, huh? Shit was low. We'll probably make it to the Alhambra one. Hey, play that motherfucking shit. Nah, we ain't playing that. Turn that off. Got the gold Casio watch. Had to flex a little bit. Just gonna let the car warm up right now. Yeah, so I'm using the new head mount for the 1RS, as you can see. Using the 1RS. Comfy? Is it comfy? I don't know. It's whatever. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't really like hold. I mean, it holds, but it's not easy to get it to tighten, I guess. You know, I thought it would be like a more simpler process, but I don't know, it's old school and shit. But yeah, it's right on the phone right here, so you get to have it right here. I'm not using the X2 today, because I'm just going to Alhambra, and I've already shown that angle plenty of times going over there. I mean, I could, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I'm just like, for what? There's like, I'm sure you guys have seen that shit so many times. What the fuck is this, bitch? But yeah, ooh, ultra wide, zoom out, bitch. Yeah, we're just gonna head over there right now. Gring, 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 gring. What's up with all this shit? Watery. Of course you would. Some of y'all suggested that I'm talking these POV drives. Oh, I've seen that 5.0 Mustang, the orange one. He lives around here. I don't know, maybe give you guys my reviews on the 2.3 liter Ecoboost Mustang. I've had it for about a year now. One thing that you guys may or may not know about this vehicle, well, you're obviously not gonna know because only I know. When I bought the vehicle at 51k miles, and that at 57k miles, I started getting transmission problems with like cylinder 4. I started getting solenoid problems. Warranty, the extended warranty covered the replacement of the engine block, so I got a new engine block, quotations. I got a new engine from Ford. So the car right now is probably like at, realistically, how many miles? 77. I got it at okay. Right now we should probably be like at 20,000, if not 15 plus. You guys want me to drive like this or what? You guys want to see the hands, huh? LA traffic, y'all. This is that LA traffic. This is only 4:42 right now on Friday, on Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. This is why I don't like taking the freeway nowhere. I'd rather take the streets, you know, because it's just less stressful. Possibility of less people driving dumber, less dumb at less speeds. But yeah, man. Hands on 10 and 2. Little burst. Oh, we boosted, baby. We boosted out here. Hopefully this is a nice POV for you guys. I mean, now that I got the head mount, I'll be able to do more. Not only just with the Insta360 X2, the 360 camera, but you know, now I can just do POV drives of whatever I drive. I mean, see if the homies let me borrow their cars and shit, do POV drives of their shit, or they can have it on their head, you know, and they could drive it and shit. That way we could get content for the channel. Or should I just do cutting up in traffic and shit, you know, just with Reckless Hemi? Y'all don't know who that is, y'all go watch him on YouTube, man. 6.4 liter Burberry Charger this fool got out there in Atlanta. Sick ass dude, bro. I watch his videos all the time, man. Now I don't have no 6.4 liter engine to be cutting up in traffic like that, but you know, hopefully in due time I'll be able to do some modifications to the vehicle. Hondas, man. It's always Hondas trying to get over. But yeah, right now we're only heading to my sister's house, hang out with my brother-in-law and the kids. You know, just have a good time on a Friday night, just chill, whatever. See what we gonna eat, cause I'm fucking hungry. Oh, show! Look at this food. 528i, not bad. We had that M package, that should be looking clean. Probably should have got off on New Ave, but whatever. Traffic. Get behind this fool. Little downshift. Let them know. Hurry the fuck up. But not really. Hopefully y'all's day is going pretty well, man. Hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Everybody ate. Yeah, man, just fortunate to see another Thanksgiving. Fortunate to be able to provide content for you guys on the tube and on the social medias. So, oh, there goes the phone. Haha. There goes the preview. Relax, bro. There's not much place to go. Like that little downshift, huh? Hopefully that's not too much air noise out there, but oh yeah, I gotta go get air too, huh? Almost forgot about that. Good thing I'm going down Garfield right now. That way I can get that gas station straight up ahead. Can we make this light? Can we make this light? I hope so. Oh, you motherfuckers. Quick little downshift to a sermonette dominance. Let me guess. Type R? The Type R. Of course we're gonna have someone come in. This fool, are you gonna switch or which way? Man. See what I mean? People don't know how to commit, bro. Who wants to stick on this left, but he wants to turn over here? It's like, bruh, get over yourself. How you gonna make a right turn and then grab the left lane? Ah, pissing me off. Oh no, it was a dead possum. R.I.P. man. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a charger up ahead. Let's see what's up. Let's see, we've only been recording for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's not bad. Still got about 43 gigabytes left, 80% of battery. Now, I do got to do a review on the equipment that I'd be using, like the INSTA360 1RS and the X2. That way you guys can, you know, get a perspective from somebody who's been using it. I've been using it for about like over a month now, so I think I can give you guys like a fairly good review. I gotta roll the window down because I gotta see if this charger got some. I know he got some. I like how I just stopped talking about what the fuck I was talking about. I get so distracted, bro. Bros and sis, ladies who are watching also. This motherfucker, he took it. See what I mean? Slow people not letting me catch up to fast people. Yeah. Damn, dog, those brakes were struggling, homie. Not alone. Dun, dun. Sometimes I just love humming songs, bro. Charger. I don't look nice. I don't look like I have the wide body. The wide body. I had to pull up on him right here. Oh, with the Acura over there. That Acura was bagged. It was low. You can hear him. You hear him? Look at this fool right here. He's about to rev his shit up. Main Street, y'all. That gas station right there, get some air. Excessive? Yes. Oh, camera temperature too high. The fuck? Who's still here? We don't have to. Oh, the exact. That is fuck. Oh, cause somebody ran into that shit. Oh wow, what are the odds? Y'all seen that, right? Not working. Okay, where's the next one at, bro? Fuck. Well, I think we should be good for right now. So we'll just head over there. Because right now it's at 24, but I'm saying, like, I thought it doesn't drop that much. So, like, usually it'll probably drop by 1 for the rest of the night. Damn, this was coming in hot. Who the fuck that shit up, bruh? Fucking it up for everybody else. Let's go, man. Everybody don't know what to do over here. This, I thought you were making a left, and you decided to make a right. This fool kicking it with the homie and not working. That's how a real G park. I'm not alone. Sheesh. Bam. Situated. That is him. Huh?
What is on your head?
It's a camera, fool. You're on the video. Where you going?
In and out.
All right, hurry back.
Huh?
Hurry back. Hurry back.
Exactly where you walk from in and out.
All right. Go.
Exactly where you walk from in and out. Exactly where you walk from in and out.
Alrighty, y'all. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow the IG. I'm gonna post all the links. Appreciate you guys, alright? Stay tuned.